Hello everyone, welcome back. We would like to write a program to create a rectangle class with methods to calculate its area and perimeter. Here I'm having a class called rectangle. It has two private variables, length and width. Then in the public part I'm having a constructor, and I know that it's a constructor because its name is the same name as the class name, so it accepts two arguments, L and W, two doubles. So L is assigned to length variable and W is assigned to the width variable. Then I'm having a function to calculate the area. It is going to actually return the length multiplied by width, and it is going to return a double value for me. And then I'm having a perimeter function, and it's of double type, so it's going to return a double for me. It is going to basically calculate the perimeter of the rectangle, so length plus width, and the result is multiplied by 2. Then that output is going to be returned. So here I'm creating an object from the rectangle class, and the object name is R. But because we're having a constructor, we need two arguments when creating our object. So I would say the length of this rectangle that I'm talking about is 10.5 and the width is 4.5. So 10.5 is assigned to L, then 4.5 is assigned to W, then L is assigned to length, and W is assigned to width. Therefore, we initialized these two variables. Then I'm having this message in the output, so area and perimeter, and use the object R to call the area function and perimeter function here, okay? And when the area function is called, length multiplied by width, the return of this, the output of this multiplication is going to be returned here and shown here. Then when I call the perimeter, it is going to calculate this for me and return the output. So when I run this code, we see that the area equals 47.25 and perimeter equals 30. So we see that we are having an object of this class and assigning these two variables to these two numbers to these two variables using a constructor. Then each function is going certain job for us. So area function is just multiplying length by width, and then the perimeter is going to calculate the perimeter of this rectangle for us and return the output here when I run the code. Thank you for watching.